Hi guys, this is Sham and I'm once again I'm coming in this video. So today my topic is how to communicate in English and how you speak English. Okay, so one thing you keep in your mind, even if you start, if you think about it, a lot of person think about it. I speak like a native speaker. So how they speak? They speak really start from their childhood, from their child since the childhood, and they become expert in this nowadays. So definitely this video for the beginner and intermediate who want to speak in English. So there are some tips I give you. So what you do? So first you do is start speaking English. So how you start speaking English? Just like that you in surrounding, just like I'm sitting in the room and lot of things around myself. So I start, how I start, just like this is phone, this is laptop, this is the table clock, this this is a this is a it's what is that, this is all out. So there is a lot of surrounding things you start speaking. So there are a lot of things you don't know what is called in English. So you know that name and start speaking, just like I am going, I am thinking, I am eating. So we train ourselves or train our mind. So you do this thing 10 days, okay, and definitely this is change your thinking and give a confidence in your speaking English. So for that day I stop my I end the video, and I insist to urge you everyone, start speaking what I say. Please faith on me and start. You definitely you see a change after 10 days, okay. So bye bye, thank you to listen me. Good night, bye bye.